think they'll notice our return? Very well then. We shall strike once more.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Maryland State Police Department. Reports of strange shadows have been emerging from out of nowhere. It is believed that these shadow creatures from a week ago have came back for us. You are being asked to remain home and indoors at this time. Please stay tuned to this channel for more updates on this strange but obvious situation.
We've been spotted. You said we wouldn't be seen. I thought we wouldn't. Well, it's time to attack. Wouldn't you agree? Let's move.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Maryland State Police Department and the Department of Paranormal Research. It is confirmed that these creatures are back to kill us and take control of us. It is unknown when they will possess us, but you are asked to go to your nearest church or holy sanctuary. You will be protected from these creatures once you arrive there. If you don't have a church around you in 5 miles or less, remain in your shelter until the all clear has been given. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Maryland State Police Department and the Department of Paranormal Research. The churches are not safe. I repeat. The churches are not safe. If you are at a church, leave now. There is no escape from these creatures. If you see a person being possessed, you are being asked to kill that person as the creature will devour the soul before taking over the body. This is going to be the saddest moment in our state. Let's just hope that this doesn't spread to the rest of the United States. Please stay tuned for updates on this situation.
Finally, there are more of us around here. Take her body. Yes, my master. Now I will take this
We interrupt regular programming, this is a national emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The shadow creatures are spreading throughout the entire United States and are spreading at a rapid pace. We might not make it through this. It is speculated that these creatures may spread around the entire globe. There is nothing you can do to protect yourself at this time. They will possess us all. All we can do is pray for a miracle. The emergency alert system has been activated to keep you informed. Normal programming has been suspended indefinitely. We interrupt regular programming, this is a global emergency. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this alert. Normal programming has been suspended, indefinitely. Day 1. We're doomed. The creatures have taken over the entire globe. All of humanity will vanish. Gather your loved ones and hold on to each other before possession, and eventually death. We all might go to hell. There is nothing humanity can do to save us all. Thank you for tuning in to the last broadcast of the emergency alert system. The emergency alert system.
Welcome to hell. 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 Welcome to hell.